Magila.
And I'm Aya, and welcome to another Tagalog for Kids for you all.
Today we got new merch. Woo! Mine says, Maganda po ako.
Mine says, Pogi po ako.
And today we're gonna learn what these mean. Maganda is beautiful. Maganda. And Pogi is handsome. Pogi. I am beautiful in Tagalog is maganda ako. Maganda ako. But since we're kids, we add po. So we say maganda po ako. Maganda po ako. And I am handsome in Tagalog is Pogi ako. But again, since we're kids, we add po. So we say Pogi po ako. Pogi po ako. Say Pogi po ako.
Pogi po ako.
Yeah. Maganda? Pogi. So if you're interested to get one of these and you want to be part of the Tagalog for Kids Club, buy our merch. Link down below. And also, if you take a closer look, the person on my shirt is going like this. And the boy on your shirt is doing this. Boom! Okay, that's all for today. But before we go, we want to give a shout out to Eunice from Tuguegarao City. Hi, Eunice!
Hi!
Thank you for watching our videos. So here's a video of Eunice talking in Tagalog.
Ano ang sa Tagalog ang red?
Red.
Or
Pula.
pula? Very good. How about pink?
Rosas.
Very good. Your hair, black hair.
Oh.
Yes, it's your buhok. What's the color of your hair?
Itim.
Itim. Very good.
Itim.
Itim.
You're so good! So Eunice, you are our Tagalog for Kids bestie for today. Okay, that's all for today. See you in our next
Video.
Don't forget to
Like and subscribe. Bye.
and hit the notifications bell so you'll be the first to see our videos. Bye!